Hey everyone, this is Rylan from Ippodaro Salon, and I'm going to be talking to you about our refreshing deep cleansing maintenance for all hair types kit. So this kit is going to be for everyone that shampoos their hair every day, or that have to shampoo their hair every day because they go outside a lot and there's a lot of environmental pollutants and a lot of oils. This is also really great for people that just work out every day and just hit that gym and you sweat a lot and you need something to shampoo. This is perfect for you. This is even perfect for the most sensitive scalps that we have out there. The first product we have is our Malibu Un-do-goo shampoo. So this is someone that uses hair product every day, hairspray, gels, mousse. It's going to help clean out all the impurities. If you have excess sebum, this also helps with all of that oil buildup too. I would only recommend using it once or twice a week or as needed. As far as using like hairstyling products and clarifying the scalp. The frequent use shampoo and conditioner, if you just shampoo your hair every day and you don't really use hair products as far as like hair mousse and hairspray, you can use this for the scalp. It's great for people that have sensitive scalp as well, just to keep the hair shiny, clean, and keep that hair consistency really great throughout the day and every day. Again, this is for all hair types. If you shampoo your hair every day or you need to shampoo your hair every day, this is perfect for you.